Hi guys, today we are playing Roblox. So yeah, it's called Roblox. So yeah, let's get started. And guys, this is my first video. So subscribe and like, okay? It's my first video, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna play Don't Press the Button 4. Let's do this. It's so hard. These people are gonna kill me. And they're gonna be so mean. But it's okay. Yeah, do you see I'm Freddy? Okay. Alright. No! Don't kill me. Don't kill me. No! Biscuit. You're a biscuit. You're a biscuit. I hate this biscuit. I hate this biscuits. Okay, I need to wait for so long. No, that jerk killed me. That jerk. If he died, then I'll be so happy. Wait, what's this? Is this? Oh, this is Halloween stuff. Whoa, how much is this sword? Oh, 8,000 for this stupid sword. Okay. Oh, this is new update. I can't wait. I'm gonna make. Please tell me he died. Where is that jerk? Oh, there he is. This is no. No, I put the wrong person. I put the wrong person by accident. Oh, so no, I went to the wrong spot. I need it. That was so close. Wait, where's that person? Oh, he's still there. Goodbye. Come on! Why is this not working? Yay! I got it. No! I hate this one. It'd never be me. I need to hide. That jerk. I need to fly. I'm very scared. Oh, we're the same. Oh, Freddy and me. Okay. Bananas. Why am I a gray banana? Okay, this is weird. I don't know why I'm a gray banana. The Fredbear. His name is Fredbear. What? But his actually name is Freddy. No, I'm dying. No, I did not know that. Okay. How did he die? This is what you get for killing me. Nana. Haha. Boop, 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 boop. This is what you get for killing me. No, why did I do that? Okay. Haha. I just killed her. How long is that over? Oh, I put a scarf away. Oh my god. Wait, where is he? Oh, now he has no hair. That's what you get for trying to kill me. No, but bomb. Let this. No, I don't know what will happen. No, this is hard. Okay. Ooh, money. These bombs. The bombs are falling. Bombs are falling. Okay. I did it. Oh my no, I hate this one. This is hard. Ah! This is red. This is red. No. I almost died. Oh my god. I need some more help. Don't tell me this one's gonna be hot. Oh, this one's about to be hot. I'm scared. I'm almost gonna die. I'm almost gonna lose health. I need to press the button. Get ready. Yellow! Yellow! Ooh, these people died. Red. The banana. You're a banana. You're ugly banana. Green, 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 green. Yellow, yellow. Oh yay, he died. Green, green, green. No, we all died. Okay, I need to press the button. Run, 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 run. Oh, I need to be in but this is so dark. What? Huh? Where's the button? I found the button. These idiots. Oh, I like this one. I hate that hair. What? No. I died. I need to stop jumping. I need to go. Banana. No, these people. These people. No, I'm not gonna win. Oh my god. I hate you, Freddy. Where are these idiots? No! Haha. No, how? I need to get revenge. I got the most. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. I got the most. I'm so happy. Oh, the door? Click from the door, okay? I'll click.
Knock, knock. Who's that? The door.
Huh? Your door? Okay, whatever. Okay, so, what is this? It's, okay, whatever. So, yeah. Huh? Whoa. Whoa. This looks pretty hard, but I think I can beat it. But this! Wow, this is so easy. I can just cheat by it. I don't know how to do this, so I'll cheat. Yay, baby! I cheat. Oh, I only got a little bit. Come on, Fredbear, you can do this. This is what you get for getting it first. Go. Here's a banana. Okay. I need to press the button, but okay. I really want to press the button.
Knowledge. 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 Knowledge.
Nah?
Knowledge.
Is this a hat?
Knowledge. Knowledge.
Oh.
Knowledge.
Okay. Okay. What is this? Is this a maze? I'm lagging. No. What's going on? Oh! I'm following Fredbear. His name is Fredbear. What is he doing? Oh, I ran out of. Fredbear. Find the eggs in the maze. Oh, it's too late. I can't. But since I got this one. Ooh, flying high in the sky. Fly high in the sky. From Pekka Pig. Flying high in the sky. Na da 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 na 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 na. Okay, wow. Subscribe if you love FGTV. It's my favorite YouTuber. Subscribe. Oh no! No! Oh, okay. Mom, that green thing is so high. How did you do that, baking girl? That's all? Okay. I'm gonna get my thing out. Huh? How are you still in the game? No. FGTV is funny. Ooh, oh yeah! Christmas. For Christmas. No, I didn't get it. I know! No, these people! It's my turn to get it. Yay, I got it! Yay! I'm getting some presents. Yes! No, no, no! Yes! That's so close. Come on. Oh yeah, I got the most! I got the most, yay! Okay, I'm gonna wait until I get $800. Oh, that's all? Okay. What else, close? What do you have to do here? Okay, we don't have to do nothing, okay. Okay, go. No! I fell! Dang it. Okay, I died. Who cares? No fear, I need to get the money. Haha. What's this? Oh, I love this one. Wee. I'm gonna do it the first. Oh no! No, nothing's gonna add. I was so close, I almost died. Yay, I beat it! Woohoo! Okay. Why is he following me? Don't you dare get the money. It's my money. Okay, I don't know why so I can get dizzy. I want to punish myself. I was just kidding. I don't want to do that. I hate it. I hate it when I punish myself. It's very scary. Oh, the snowballs. It's okay. I'm gonna have saving. No. Okay. Yeah, I wish there's Halloween that. It's almost Halloween. But that's not fair. Let's go. No, they saw me. Oh, this is a hard one. Phew. Yeah, I won! Woohoo! I'm gonna stand on top of you. Okay. Okay. I don't know, what is this? What is this? Okay, I need to try my best. I can't stand up, it's impossible. I can't stand up and say. I don't know if it's impossible or not. I'll be there. Yeah, baby. No, I'm wasting it. Okay, I'm not wasting it. Okay, this is good. Go, 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 go. Yay! Oh, that's a lot. That's good. Oh my god. Okay, guys, 2 more and we're done this video. So make sure to like in this video and subscribe because this is my first video. Okay. Oh my god, that's you for copying me. I'm a banana. I'm a banana. Banana. I'm a banana. Hello. Okay. Money. No, it's my money. No. Why? I need to get the money. That's all. Okay, guys, this is the last round, and we are finished this video. How is it not working? That's so dumb. It's too late, I died. How? Now that needs to work. How are they doing that? These people are so good. Okay. These idiots. Haha. Oh, this is hide and seek. I think I'm the seeker. Don't tell me I'm the seeker. I really need to hide badly. Oh my god, I don't have enough time to hide! No! I don't think they're not gonna find me. Sounds like I'm a toy. Woohoo! Yeah, baby. Okay, guys, make sure to like and subscribe for this video. I hope that you enjoy it. So, yeah. So like and subscribe, okay? Bye.